I'm John Hogan. I'm from Port Townsend, Washington, near Seattle. I came here for a total hip replacement on the right side. I didn't expect to have this good of treatment or such kind services. It's been wonderful. The pre-care put all of my concerns at ease. Coming from another country, I didn't know really what to expect, but immediately I felt at home and well taken care of here. Dr. Tulpong, first class care all the way. He was very good about explaining himself and explaining the procedure. He came to my room while I was still in the hospital several times. I've seen him, I believe, twice since the surgery. Absolutely amazing. Did a wonderful job of explaining what he was doing. As I explained to the young ladies earlier, he probably told me more than I needed to know because I don't understand what he did, but I'm glad he did it. They had me up and walking the day after surgery, and physical therapy came to my room twice a day and helped me. The pain was pretty much gone after the third or fourth day, and I've been getting stronger and more capable at getting around ever since. One of the concerns that I had coming here was the language barrier. I'm here by myself, so I didn't have anybody, but I haven't run into anyone that I couldn't communicate with. So it's been great. The accommodations are amazing. My room was as nice as most hotels that you stay in. The services have just been out of this world. Nothing like we experience in the States. Most of my friends are my own age, and all of us are struggling with knees or hips or back surgeries that we need. And I've already reached out to several of them about coming to Bumrungrad. I personally will never have another major surgery done anywhere but here. This has been the most pleasant medical experience of my life.